So in today's video, I'll be showing to you my duties and responsibilities in the evening time. Alright, so this particular clues Good morning everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you my daily routine as a waiter. So come with me at work. This year I'm doing a different role, so I'm still working in a room service office. So daily I have to check the time and attendance of the restaurant's team if they are in compliance with our maritime labor code. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing to you my duties and responsibilities in the evening time. So I already showed earlier what I do in the morning time. So just now I set up my station. So I think everybody's ready as of now. As you can see, these are my tables, this cruise. So I'm right at the entrance. So I have actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables. So 5 tables of 2 and 3 of those are by the window, and then I have here 2 tables of 4. So right now I am already all set, like everything is on the table. As you can see, this is how we set up our table. So we have this kind of setup, and then we have our wine list here, salt and pepper shakers, and then sugar bowl. And then this cruise I'm working with Cefizo. See, he's from South Africa. So every day we have a different theme in the dining room. So today is actually Caribbean night. Okay, so right now I am heading to the crew mess. So I'm gonna eat first before the service time and before our meeting starts. Let's go! Okay, so let's see what we have. So we have the salad bar here, this corner today, and what do we have? What is this? Indonesian omelette. And we have pork casino today. Huh? Alright, so right now I'm in the dining room already. I'm on my side stand and I'm just going to show you our tools as a waiter. So this is my order pad. So the right side, as you can see, is our beverage order ticket. So this is where we write down all of the drink orders of the guests, and then this is my order pad for food orders. Hey there, so I'm back, and today our theme is actually tropical. So we're wearing our tropical shirts, and let me just finish what I have started earlier. So these are our tools, of course, as a waiter. So we need to have our crummer, we need to have wine opener. And this is actually my order pad. Say hi!
Hello, GoPro!
So this is my assistant this cruise, Sifizo. Yes, the best in the fleet so far. His name is Sifizo. Where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa. Okay, so my neighbor here is from Philippines. Say hi, Raymar. You're shy?
Shy for the camera?
He's not normally quiet, but today he's shy. So I'll tour you around.
1, 2.
So this is our side stand, our clean side stand. So where we can put our clean stuff. And on this side, as you can see, bam bam bam, sharan! I put something so nobody can touch it. So this is my dirty side stand. Alright, so as you can see, everybody say hi! Everybody's preparing their tables. And okay, manggugulo tayo. So I've worked mostly on this side. Say hi! Asife!
Hello, how are you?
What is that for?
This one is from Wakanda.
Wakanda!
Wakanda crowd.
Okay. I like it. So on this side is my handsome Filipino friend.
Hello.
Say hi,
Hi,
Romeo.
Again.
On this side, my friend is also working so hard. Say hi. Where are you from?
Indiana.
Indianapolis, Indonesia. The other side of the world, my friend is working so hard. Say hi, Beshi.
Later.
Later? No, right now. So that's Ryan. And then I came here just to visit my friend. Say hi.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Hello.
What? Hello, hello. Say
I'm from India.
India. So
Yeah,
this
Mumbai.
Okay, say hi, Rupesh.
Hi, Chinky.
So this is Rupesh. She is my assistant waiter. First assistant waiter in Jewel of the Seas. How about that? So for me, he's one of the best of the best so far. So alright, so now I'm done with work. So we have our closing duties as well in the evening time. So as you can see, everything is on top. Menus are here, well arranged. This is my station, so I already covered everything. So normally we prepare each tables for breakfast, as you can see here. This is for breakfast setup. Then we cover it. My friend here, oh, on vacation mode. Say hi!
Hi!
You remember him on my first vlog? This is Richard, all the way from
India.
India.